Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Friends, this morning I wanted to share some thoughts that I have about the market. I think that the sectoral rotation into the small cap area is not going to last for too long. I have my reasons for it and I'm going to share that with you, and I'd like to have your feedback. Please put that in the comment section. With that said, let's get started. Welcome back. I just wanted to share some thoughts on ASML's recent earnings report and the broader semiconductor market, and also why I think that the rotation into small cap, which is bringing down the Mag 7 and the AI, is not going to last for long. So if you look at the ASML results, they crushed it in the second quarter with earnings and sales surpassing expectations, mainly because there's a booming demand for AI chips. This interest is really driven up the need for ASML's essential semiconductor manufacturing equipment, and their net bookings, which are basically orders for their machines, hit 5.6 billion euros last quarter as per their reports. That's almost a 24% increase from last year, which is a big deal in the market. So ASML CEO Christopher Fouquet mentioned that AI is leading the charge in industry recovery and growth, outpacing other market segments. This shows that the semiconductor market is still super strong right now. It might be a good time to consider buying Nvidia stocks since the Mag 6 might not stay low for long. This is how I'm viewing it. But at this point of time, there are a few factors that are bringing it down. First is that the small cap was lagging behind. So now money is going out of semiconductor because people are booking profits. It's been huge profit, especially for Nvidia. And people are moving that money into beaten down small caps, and the small caps are going up. You have seen IWM going up. Yesterday I showed you the chart. It was up, it was gapping up for 4 days. So those things are happening out there. There is also a little problem due to political factors. Global chip stocks, including ASML, Nvidia, and TSMC, took a hit recently, basically because of rumors of tight export restrictions from US and rising geopolitical tensions. And there was a report in Bloomberg that the Biden administration might implement a broad rule to restrict companies from exporting key chip-making equipment to China. Also, Trump made waves by suggesting Taiwan should pay the US for defense in a recent Bloomberg Business Week interview. On a different note, treasuries are still looking steady, and it looks like a rate cut in September is almost certain. So personally, I think that these political statements will blow over with more political statements on other topics, and the market's knee-jerk reaction will calm down. And I'm thinking that even if Biden administration prevails and wins the next election and decides to clamp down, the market will always find a way of providing services which can be used by others. So it will be more of a derivative. So instead of having the high-end semiconductors in China, probably China will end up getting controlled access to systems that are using those kind of chips within the United States. So there are other kind of things that could happen. At the end of the day, the market always tries to get best use for capital and the best returns. And they will also be lobbying the government a lot, and it's not going to be so easy to do what Trump is suggesting as well as to do what Biden is suggesting. So I'm thinking that calmer heads will prevail. So in conclusion, I am planning on holding to my AI stocks. I might sell half of my holdings in Apple, Microsoft, and Google to take some profits, but I'll keep my positions in FNGU and FNGD. Both are counteracting each other at this point of time, whichever way the market goes. So FNGD is in profit, FNGU is in loss. I'm going to wait and see what happens in the next few days. So friends, what are your thoughts, and how are you handling this? Do you think that the rotation to small cap is going to be limited to maybe another 3 or 4 days, or at the most a week? Please let me know, and I'd always be happy to hear from you. Put it in the comment section. I'll catch up with you again in the next video, where I'll talk about the AI stocks. I'm going to look at the technicals and give you my feedback on what I think is happening. And then I'm going to do one on genomics. We had a spectacular day in genomics yesterday, so there'll be a separate video on that. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now.